In this video, I am about to tell you exactly why I chose Systeme.io over Clickfunnels. Yes, you're about to learn the pricing structure. You're about to learn exactly what each platform has to offer so that you can make a well-informed decision. Okay, so here we are over on the Systeme.io platform. I'm about to show you exactly the things that you can do with this platform. Number one, let's take a look at the tabs. Number one, you've got the main dashboard, and that's what we are on right now. You have an affiliate dashboard. Let's take a look at that. This is your affiliate dashboard. This will show you all of your affiliates. Yes, you have the opportunity to bring in your own affiliates and create your own digital and products. I'm going to go over that in a few minutes. Courses, you also have an opportunity to purchase courses or to create your own course and put it here in the marketplace. Let's take a look. So as you can see, there is a marketplace, and you can also promote these offers for free. You can come over, grab an affiliate link and promote other people's offer, kind of like a ClickBank situation. So not only can you create your own offer, you can promote someone else's offer. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's move on. Here is where your contacts and your tags will live. So you can tag your contacts and separate them in that manner. Let's look at the funnels. Let's see what type of funnels you can create with Systeme.io. Let's just take a look at this one. I created this one not long ago. It's just a simple funnel. Let's take a quick look at it. And here it is. As you can see, it has amazing functionality. It's absolutely awesome. So this is just like one of the things that you can create. And not only that, you can create other things. Let's take a look at a quick squeeze page. This is a quick squeeze page that I created to enroll new people into Systeme.io. And this link will actually be in the description of this video if you want to come on over and be a part of this platform and start using this platform. I'm about to show you the pricing structure. It's absolutely amazing, but let me go back and finish. You can create newsletters, as you can see. I've created many newsletters and emails in here. Let's take a look at one of the emails. As you can see, it is amazing. And just to go ahead and say, I don't think, well, as a matter of fact, I know ClickFunnels does not have an email autoresponder. So not only can you create your newsletters and emails, you can also create a blog or website. Now here you have your automation rules and workflows. You can create physical products, coupons, orders. You can see your orders here, your transactions, your subscriptions, your affiliate invoices, create your courses, your course bundles. You can take a look at the students that are in your actual membership site. Oh, yes, and you can create membership sites, your communities, and your affiliate program. Yes, you can have your own affiliate program. This is, and so now let's just go and talk about the price. I've just told you everything you get with Systeme. So let's talk about Systeme's price. Let's go over and talk about that. So let's work off of the premise of the smallest package that ClickFunnels has is $97 per month. Well, with Systeme, you get everything unlimited for $97 a month. Unlimited contacts, unlimited sales funnels, unlimited sales funnel steps. Look, unlimited membership sites, unlimited automation rules, unlimited email campaigns. And that, as I said before, ClickFunnels does not have email. You have to integrate with something else. It's probably not unlimited. Like, you can't set up the autoresponder like that. So let's go over. As you can see, everything here is unlimited and unlimited marketplace offers, meaning you can create courses and digital products and place those in the marketplace so that people can come along and promote those or buy them from you. Let's go over and take a look at ClickFunnels. Now, you just saw for $97, you get unlimited everything. Let's take a look at ClickFunnels. For $97, you get 20 funnels, you get 100 pages, you get 20 monthly, you get unlimited contacts, you get 1 sub user, 3 custom domains, 3 payment gateways, you get email support. You get email support, you get funnel flicks. That's it. That is it. If you want more than that, you have to jump up another $200 and pay for a little more. And then not even that compares to what you get with Systeme.io for $97. I hate to say it, I have a biased opinion, and this is the reason why my opinion is biased. This is Systeme.io is a formidable opponent, very formidable. The free Systeme.io plan, you can have 2,500 email contacts. You can have 2,500 contacts for free. You can build like 3 funnels for free. You can have an email campaign for free. You can have a blog for free. This is why I say this platform is much better than ClickFunnels, bar none. So, but I'm biased. I have a biased opinion. Listen, I'm going to be going over more about Systeme.io in the coming weeks. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get your hands on this platform, the link will be in the description. And the bonus that I'm going to give you for getting signed up, I'm going to send you a music track library that you can use in all of your videos, however you want to use them. So listen, this is Antonio of the Digital Authority Accelerator, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.